Guys, so in this video I will tell you that how you can make a thread on Twitter. So what is a thread is, so basically, as you all know that Twitter gave you a very less amount of characters to write your tweet, and if you have a long story to share with your audience on the Twitter, then how will you do that? So for this we will use a trick which is known as thread. Basically it is a way of combining different tweets together. So first of all, we will open up Twitter here, and I will show you the complete process. Just keep watching the video until the very end. So we will click on this plus icon onto the lower right side of the screen, and we will click on tweet. And first of all, so let's suppose that you have a long story which has like four parts, okay, but you can't write that in a single tweet. So what's we gonna have to do, we will do something like this. You have to mention your tweets, like which one is the first tweet and which one is the second and which one is the third and which one is the fourth and fifth, and so on. So let's suppose that this is the start of our uh, story. So we will type one first message. Now what's you gonna have to do, you have to click on the plus icon on to the bottom right side here, and now as you can see that we get an option to write another tweets. So like these both tweets are now on the same page. So we will write our second message here. We will type 2 just for to mentioning it, and like second message. We will again click on plus and we will write 3 final message. And now here onto the top right side you are seeing tweet also. You will click on this one and it's actually posting. So tweets successfully sent. So we will now just view our tweets. So here as you can see that we actually managed to make 3 tweets in one tweet. We just combined 3 tweets, and the reason that why I was asking you to label your tweets like 1 2 3, because in this way your audience will know that which one was the first message and which was the second message. Okay, so if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.